So, good morning AI. So, palto tayo ngayon. Bibigay tayo ng blessings dito sa may Petron. Okay, Cordon. Lapit sa Omega. Okay. So, good luck everyone. Sa may school ng Cordon School. Cordon South Central School. Malapit lang. Lapit tayo sa Adox Ultra Omega Supermarket. Ayan, kung alam nyo to. So, good luck everyone. And don't forget subscribe my channel, Jonathan Bit TV. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless day.